went to UPW after pretty much all the doctors had told me that I was never going to use my arm again.
My husband passed away. He died in December.
So I was about 50 pounds overweight.
My business folded within 6 weeks.
I was that person that life happened to instead of you being in charge of your life.
I had a certain fire in my belly when I was younger. The fire's gone, and it's time to get the fire back.
What if I could actually do the things that I feel like I've dreamt of doing my whole life?
There is a humanity that occurs at an event like this that you just can't get by yourself.
I have not had a drink in 5 years. I have lost the weight.
There is help, Tony and UPW.
But if you want to make a change in your life, that's what you have to do.
Since going to UPW, I was able to not only get my arm back, but also get my finances back.
There's just an energy that you need to experience.
So grateful for finding that power from within myself. Thank you so much, Tony Robbins.